What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. GGFOREX here, and on today's video I'm going to be going over the banker's candle. What is it? Why do I use it? What's the relevance? All those questions you guys have been asking me in the group. I'm now going to explain everything right now. But before I go any further, check this out. It's a GGFOREX mug, but that's not it. Don't skip. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. You ready? I don't think you're ready for this. It's Baby Yoda. Basically, Baby Yoda is now the new mascot for GGFOREX family. And the reason for that is since I got Baby Yoda as a mascot, I've had my best week yet. So obviously, Baby Yoda is making us win because Paul's crushing it as well. I think he's up 7% or so yesterday, and then he was in a 4% trade the day before. So yeah, he's crushing it. So Baby Yoda is staying. Imagine if I could get, you know, when he has that little bowl of soup. Imagine if I can get like a GGFOREX bowl of soup in his hands like that. Oh, that'd be insane. I'll be selling like millions of them. I won't need to do Forex. I'll just sell Baby Yodas with GGFOREX mugs. It'd be nuts. Anyway, so I'm not going to get distracted. I'm going to jump into trades because I am in Euro USD at the moment, and so far it's going great. So let's go. Right, guys, hope you can see me. We are in the charts. I'm in Euro USD at the moment. So what I'm going to do is going to be quite a short, informative video, basically telling you why I use bankers candles, what's the relevance of them, and all the things I said at the start of this video. So my thought process for this trade was I was in a 1 hour time frame. I also did top-down analysis, but I won't go into that because it's more complex on top. I purely just want to talk to you about bankers candles. So bankers candles, we call them bankers candles is because this is a $5.3 trillion a day market. Trillion with a T a day is in 24 hours, okay? That's a lot of money moving in 24 hours. So you need to have a lot of capital to move the markets. So the people who do that are hedge funds managers and the banks, etc. So the basic description I could describe a banker's candle is it's the opposite move before. Let's say it was a downwards trend and there's a spike up and then it's spiked back down again. So the banker's candle would be that spike up before it went down. So it's the opposite move before the big push in a certain direction. So here, as we can see on Euro USD, let me just zoom into this. Let me do a rectangle. So this green candle is my banker's candle. Why? It's because it's a big push up before this big move down, breaking all the structure. So to me, in this big push up, it's going to have a load of sell orders in there. So I know price wants to come back up here. And also the banks hedge their money. So what I mean by hedging is they'll put giant buy positions in with no stop loss, or giant sell positions in with no stop loss. So what that means is when they push the price up to sell at a higher price, they are in drawdown because they got a huge buy order in there that they need to close out of. So what they do is they bring price back up. So back up to their candle or their orders, because remember, this isn't just candles, these are orders being placed by real human beings or algorithms. But at the end of the day, a human has looked at the charts and put in an order there for a reason. That was either to grab liquidity, that was either to do whatever, put the price up higher so he could sell what he's got higher. Because remember, people want to sell high, buy low. So if they want to push the price up, they're going to sell it off, okay? If that makes sense. So I noticed it was in a downwards trend, it broken structure. I saw this banker's candle here. I thought price is going to retrace. I just let it continue doing whatever it was going to do because price wasn't down here then. It was around about here. I thought it was going to retrace. It just fell off, and then later on today we had a huge spike up and then it closed out of their position. So a banker's candle is a big move up before it does the opposite move. And the way to spot these candles is by looking at where the big swing moves are, and then it's the next candle that's going in the opposite direction. So they can be all shapes and sizes. Let's do another one. Let's clone that. Where's the banker's candle here? Right there. See? Push down before this big swing upwards. Okay, you're going to get this in all different time frames. Let's go on the 15-minute chart. So you could say, wherever that candle's gone, don't know where it's gone. Let's just draw another one. Rectangle. This right here, this candle, that there is a banker's candle because it's gone down, taken out all these lows, liquidity. Let's just draw that on. And again, that's another subject for a different video, but I'll show you what I mean. So if you were here, you see all this rejection, 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 you would say, oh, it's a support line. This candle comes down, bang, takes out all that money and stop losses, your money, and then pushes the price up to where it wants to go. And then takes out all these highs up here. So that would be a banker's candle, and that push up there would be a banker's candle. So, as in, oh God, let me grab it. Let me grab you bitch. Oh my God. Come on now. That move there, but I wouldn't have taken that candle. But you get the idea. It is the opposite move in the trend of the swing. That makes sense. So if there's a big swing up, look for the push down, taking out people's lows or equal lows, and then the opposite for the sells. So I was looking for the sells because my bias was in a downwards trend. Let's just go back onto the action time frame that I was on, which is the 1 hour time frame. So if we have a look at it here, trend lines, big push up for a huge swing downwards, grabs my attention. Okay, why did that happen? Well, equal highs there, taking out money, equal highs there, taking out money. So took all these people out of their positions and then drove the price down. So I'm thinking price is going to retrace back up to this candle to close out of their position. They're probably in drawdown by a couple $100 million or whatever it is. Could be more, depends how much they need to push the market up that much. Again, it's 5.3 trillion, so 100 million isn't a lot in this game. Banks will do that every minute probably. It's the concept of money we can't even fathom. So price went up, broke free from their orders, so now they're break even from this huge buy, and then they're going to hopefully move the market back down again, sell off, continuing in the downwards trend. So I hope this video has made more sense of what a banker's candle is, the purpose of it and the meaning behind it. Remember, the banks are moving the market, or the hedge funds managers, or the very, very, very wealthy individuals to move the market, because you need capital, excuse me, to move the market when it's 5.3 trillion a day. The coffee's coming back on me. It's, oh God. What the market does, it builds money and then takes it. So the banks will draw patterns, double tops, double bottoms, W's, M's, or whatever you want to call it, trend lines. It will build patterns and shapes, and then it will spike down, take out equal lows or equal highs, and then go in a direction where you originally thought. So how many times, let me know in the comments below, how many times have you thought the price was going to go in a certain direction, but it stopped you out first and then gone in that direction? Okay, look for those manipulations in price to take out those people, and then wait for price to come back to that key area for the banks to then break even on their trades. Again, I'm expecting loads of questions on this, so if you do have any questions, join the GGFOREX group down below, because that is where I'll most likely answer your questions as fast as possible, and also you get my cheat sheets and stuff like that. But just to inform you on this week, guys, I've actually done really well. It's been quite scary, and I haven't traded that much at all. Also, guys, the hardest thing you'll find out about trading isn't strategy. Strategy, if you know strategy works, the hardest thing to stick to a strategy is then to just allow it to happen, to play out the trades. It's easy getting into trades, but when you're in them, your mind starts playing tricks. You're emotionally attached to money, whatever reason. Okay, so it's really hard, but you got to wean yourself off of price going up and down, and don't stare at it. Just let it happen. Stick to your strategy. If it's the rules, just follow it. Okay, so let's just go on my journal. I'm getting off topic and getting on a rant here. Okay? Because I was up 225 quid at the start of this video and now I'm at 147. Most people would have panicked and just taken orders or taken out themselves out of the trade straight away. And then when they've come back to it, realise, oh, I should have stayed in because it's continued in their direction. You know, if you've already taken the risk of 2%, just let it happen. It is what it is. If you lose, learn from it. If you win, learn from it. But just stay in the trade. Follow it out. You entered it for a reason. Continue, okay? But anyway, so this is my journal at the moment. As you can see, the last trade I did was on the 19th, right? And on that day, I won 2, lost 1. So I won euro pound, won cable, but I lost CAD yen, which is fine because I finished 12% up. So the 19th was Monday, okay? And I haven't traded since Tuesday because none of my setups happened, Wednesday or Thursday. This triggered today, which is a Friday, which is kind of annoying. I wish it triggered yesterday because Thursday is Lucky Thursday. For those of you guys who are in my group, you already know what Lucky Thursday is. Lucky Thursday is super important because I win the most on a Thursday. But regardless, I've only done 2 trades this week and I'm up 12%. So you don't need to trade a lot to be successful in Forex. Obviously, I am not successful at the moment because you can see my my overall is in a downwards trend and I'm down 5%, which is fine. It doesn't matter because if this trade wins, I'll be up 16% on the account. Okay, because I've got 2 positions open on that trade, one with a TP lower down. We'll just see what happens. I'm going to let it run over the weekend because I have confidence in it. I've already accepted the risks, which you guys need to do. But just to show you the power of using bankers candles, you can get better reward to risks. And it's now you understand why they are there. It should help you guys out a lot more, and you should look at the charts differently. Okay, because remember, just 2 trades and 1 loss on the same day, I'm up 12%. My goal for the week is 4%. I've done 12% in a day, so technically this is a week collectively. I'm up 12%, so I'm super happy with that. If I can keep this consistency going and being fussy with my trade and only entering on high probability trades, hence why a lot of mine hasn't triggered yet. You know, you do 10% a week, which is doable because I've done it. Remember, 10% a week. On a $1,000 account, you'll be up 6 figures on your account within a year, which again is mind-blowing. And obviously 10% on a $100,000 account is $10,000. $10,000 a week, $40,000 a month, but it's compounding, so remember it'll be more than that every month, every week. You're going to have a very nice lifestyle just by, you know, 1 or 2 trades a week if you stick to your rules. This is what I'm slowly learning through pain, and I hope you guys have learnt from me because of this. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a like or thumbs up or whatever it is. Comment down below if you've got any questions. Join the GGFOREX family. Join Lucky Yoda, alright, baby Yoda, because we're going to crush this together and we're going to make the most out of this pandemic because the world's on fire. So if we all lose our jobs, we can still make an income through the markets. Okay guys, so love you all, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Or in about 5 minutes in my GGFOREX Facebook group.